Hello, in this video I'm going to show you best multitasking features on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, when it comes to the multitasking features, one of my favorites is, of course, the split view, and then we have the floating windows. This is my favorite preset. Let me show you a quick examples how to use the split view and the floating windows. Okay, so let's say that we want to quickly take notes, and at the same time we would like to watch, for example, a tutorial on YouTube, how to do something. So first we need to open our two apps. So the first one will be the YouTube in my case. Open it up normally, click on allow. Now close it up using the home button. Now open up your Samsung Notes, go back using the home button. Now open up the recent apps and now hold on the notes. Now if you place it above, it will be above simply, and then the YouTube will be on the downside, or you can place the notes down below. And now pick your recent apps, click the YouTube, and now as you take a look, we have two apps opened at the same time. So for example, we can quickly create a new note, we can start typing, or we can even use our S Pen to create our handwritten notes. And above we can watch some tutorial. Let's say that I will type DIY real quick, how to do something, some video. It can even be a short like that. And on the bottom we can quickly take notes. As you take a look, we still have access into our YouTube. We can watch the video, watch the whole tutorial. And now also when it comes to adjustment of the split view mode, we can of course change the size of each window. For example, now this notes will be really small in comparison with the YouTube. But remember that if you go too much, now when I would release my finger, the Notes app will be closed and the YouTube will open in full screen. So have that in mind. That's how you can adjust the size of the window. But if you click those three dots in the middle, you'll be able to swap the sides of each app real quick. And also if you are using those two apps really often, I'm talking about the YouTube and the Notes open in the split view, you can save it as an app combo, as a shortcut basically. So if you create that shortcut, you won't have to, open up Notes and the YouTube each time separately and then open up the split view. If you tap the shortcut, both apps will open already in the split screen mode. So to do it, click on those three dots and click the stars icon. We can add app pair to our home screen or the apps edge panel. It is up to you. Let's say that I'll pick the home screen, and now when I'll tap that, both apps open in the split view automatically as you take a look. Also, that's not the only thing, because in the split view we can still add floating windows. So let's open up the third app. Let's say that maybe we'll pick the Chrome, our browser, because in the meantime we want to surf the internet. So now again, close it up using the home button, go into recent apps, open up your split view, and now hold on the Chrome and place it in the middle for the pop-up view. Now as you take a look, we have three apps opened at the same time and we can easily multitask. So when it comes to the floating window also, we can adjust its size when we grab its edge, just like that. We can also expand the window a little bit. We can change its position on the screen. We need to grab this blue bar and we can place it anywhere that we want. If you click, you can enter the split view mode from this small floating window, but be aware that if you click that, the YouTube and the Notes will close. You can go into full screen and you can also minimize the window. It is really cool thing because let's say that the most important thing that we are doing right now is taking notes and watching a tutorial, but we want to, from time to time, check the internet and browse something, do the research, for example. So that is why it's good to minimize the Chrome, and when you need to search something up, simply tap on the small icon, the app will open in the floating window. You can do the research real quick and then you can minimize back the window and start watching YouTube again and take the notes. So that's how you can use those multitasking features. When it comes to the floating window itself, we can open a lot of apps in the floating window. Actually, I don't know what is the maximum amount of apps. Actually, let's check that. Let's pick the Chrome, then maybe the calculator. Also, let's pick maybe Facebook, and then, I don't know, calendar. Okay, now hold, place it, let's minimize it a little, let's change its size. That's the first loading window. Now let's go with the next one, the Facebook. Boom, it also opens. Now another app, calculator. Boom, and the Chrome. Okay, as you take a look, we have 4 apps in a floating window. And now let's open each. Let's try to organize it somehow. So we'll have space for all apps. Okay, maybe something like that. And the last one is the calendar. Okay, now as you take a look, we have 4 apps opened in the floating window mode. But when it comes to me, in my personal opinion, I'm a bigger fan of using the split view and additional third app opened in the floating window, because when it's opened like that, for me, it's not the best way. But if you want to use it in that way, it is up to you. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.